Thanks for joining ManageMy Post, the affordable, easy way to track your unaddressed mail jobs. Create jobs, track your distributors on their routes with the ManageMy Post phone app or GPS data loggers, share maps with your clients, and create job and timesheet reports. ManageMy Post helps you improve efficiency and show clients their jobs have been completed successfully. But before you can start on the path to doubt-free delivery, let's just take a second to show you how to get around and get set up. If you already have an account, simply click the Login button and enter your credentials, and if not, click the Sign Up button to get started. If you've just signed up with ManageMy Post, you will have arrived at the dashboard as an admin user. From the dashboard, admin users can create jobs and work maps, view current and archived jobs, view uploaded GPS tracks and assign them to jobs, edit your company profile and manage your subscription, create and edit work groups, users, and clients, create job, timesheet, and hardware reports, and view and act on client booking requests. When you've got some data in ManageMy Post, you'll be able to view work KPIs, such as work hours, items delivered, distance traveled, and the status of your account. And if you use GPS data loggers, you can install TrackShare, which is a desktop utility that allows you to upload tracks from your data loggers to the ManageMy Post website in one click. Okay, so let's get set up. The first thing to do is customize ManageMy Post for your company. Check that your company name and contact details are correct, and also be sure that you've entered the correct country and region for your company. Choose your preferred location and map boundary setting, and please note that postcode and postcode areas will appear when datasets for the selected country are available. Make sure the correct time zone and locale are selected, and this is important to ensure that you get the correct start and finish times for your tracks. And then select whether you want miles or kilometers to be displayed on your track information. Click the checkbox to use miles or leave it unchecked to use kilometers. Lastly, you can also upload your company logo by selecting Choose File and selecting the file from your computer, which will then be displayed here. You can use this logo to customize maps that you share with clients. When all your information is entered correctly, click Save Profile. Work groups provide businesses with a way to divide up their work into different groups based on location or department, for instance. You don't need to set up a work group to get started, and it's suggested that you keep your initial setup simple. However, if you want to customize things a bit further, you can add a new group by clicking this button, enter in the group's name, and then if the country, region, location, or map boundary settings are different than the default company settings, you can adjust those with the drop-downs here. When finished, save your group. Next, we need to add some users. You'll need to add users before you can create a job, or your distributors can log in and upload tracks from either their phone app or data loggers. We suggest you look at the user types in the help section to familiarize yourself with what different users can and can't do. To add a new user, click the Add New button. Enter in their first and last name, as well as a username. Then assign them a role and a group if needed, and then enter in a password for the user and confirm the rest of their contact details. If you enter in an email address for this user, their password and login information will be sent to them upon completion. When finished, click Create User. Next, we need to create a client. Please note that you must create at least one client before you can create jobs. So to add a new client, click the Add New button, give the client a name, assign them to a group if needed, and then click Save. You can also add client users. Client users can log in and book jobs and view GPS tracks of completed routes. This can save considerable time on customer service inquiries. Adding a client user is similar to the process you've just been through. First, select the client or clients within this navigation menu. Then under the Client User section, select Add New. Enter in the first and last name and a username for this client user, and then set up a password and finish completing the contact information for this user. Once again, if you enter in an email for this user, their login information and password will be sent to them upon registering them as a user. When finished, click Create User. Okay, so if you're using the ManageMy Post phone app, you're ready to roll. If you're using your GPS data loggers, there's one last step to set up: installing your TrackShare desktop utility. TrackShare allows users to edit and upload GPS tracks to ManageMy Post in one easy click. To install this, click on the TrackShare icon, and then click Install TrackShare. Download and run the setup file, and when the install is complete, click Close. The TrackShare icon should now be installed on your desktop. Okay, so now you're ready to start creating jobs, tracking them, and sharing with clients. Still have questions? Check out the other posts on our help page to find out more about ManageMy Post. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.